Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm super excited to introduce version 2 of the Manipuri English Translator app. Now it's smarter, faster, and more multilingual than ever before. We have added Hindi, Korean, and Japanese translations in this update, making it easier for you to connect and communicate across languages. So what's new in version 2? Well, besides the new languages, we have improved the translation engine. It's not perfect yet, but definitely an improvement over the version 1. And you will notice a better sentence flow and more natural word choices and improved context understanding. Let's jump into a quick examples. Let me try another one. Let me try another one. Cool. We can even change the language. For example, I'm going to change it to Hindi. Yeah, cool. Now, here is a little tip. To get the most accurate translation, try to avoid shortcuts or incomplete phrases. Use proper punctuation, like a full stop or question mark, because it helps the translator understand the tone and structure. Add subjects when needed, like you, he, or she, because sometimes the app might get confused about who you are talking about. Adding a subject makes your sentence much clearer. Now let's take a quick look at the new interface. So we have translator screen, bookmark and settings. So bookmark is where you save your favorite translations for quick access later. For example, these are the bookmarks that I have, and there is this icon. You can click on it to save the translation. And in the settings, you can change the theme. For example, I can change it to dark theme. I prefer light, so I'm going to change it back to light. You can change the voice. You can submit a feedback. Like for example, I will submit like I like this app. Submit. Now the feedback is submitted. Cool. You can see the app information here. Yeah, that's pretty much it. We're constantly working to make translations more natural and accurate, and your feedback really helps us improve. So try out the new version, share your thoughts, and help us make the next update even better. So thank you for watching, and happy translating.